Hello friends, welcome to the Work from Home channel. Today I have awesome website to make money from your skills. It's a non-investment website. I'll show you how to use this website to make money and everything you need to know about this website. So watch this video until the end. If you are coming for the first time on this channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. This is the website that I want to show you today. You can make money online by using your skills. This is completely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this, and this is available worldwide. Everyone from every country can do this. You can access this website on any device like laptop, desktop, mobile, tablet, etc. First of all, let's talk about what is this website and how can you make money from this website. Friends, basically this is freelancing website. You can make money using your skills on this website. There are more than 5,000 skills available on this website. For example, programming and development jobs, writing and translation job like article writer, editor, etc. Design and art jobs like logo designer, artist, and more. Sales and marketing jobs like marketers, email marketers, etc. Business and finance jobs like MS Excel expert, project manager, accountant, etc. and more freelancing services are available on this website. You can see that there are over than 2 million freelancers working on this website. If you stick with me until the end of this video, I will show you how to earn $215 from this website. Now I show you how can you sign up on this website. I'll put this website link in the description of this video so you can access this website directly. Click on sign up option, then you can see a page like this. You can sign up with your Facebook ID, LinkedIn ID, Google ID or email address. If you want to sign up with your email address, then type your full name and enter your email address, then allow permission and click on proceed. Then you have to select your account type. You can see here, first employee and second is freelancer. Here you have to select freelancer because on this website you want to work as a freelancer. Then create your password and click on proceed button. Then you will get a verification code in your registered email address. Enter that code in this text box. Then click on verify button. This website interface is something like this. Here you can select some security question and give answer them. These security questions are for protecting your account. Means if you have some problems, then you can easily recover your account with this security question. After selecting security questions and answers them, click on continue button. Then you have to enter your contact information. First, enter your address. Then city, country, state, zip code and select your time zone. Then click on continue button. After this, you can see a page like this. Here, you have to write some detail about your service. First, enter your service title. Type description of your service. Then enter your skills and expertise. For example, data entry, logo designer, translation, t-shirt designer, etc. Then enter your per hour rate. The minimum rate is $8. This means that you can earn minimum $8 from your work. You can enter rate according to your skills. Then minimum budget. Friends, there are many jobs on this website and you will get a fixed amount for that job. You can earn minimum $25 from minimum budget jobs or enter a rate according to your skills. Then you can select your skills and expertise category. Then click on publish now. Your service will be live on this website. After this, go to about and fill it. First you have to upload your cover profile picture. Then update your screen name. Then enter your website address or leave it blank. And click on save button. Then select individual or a company. Then enter your tagline. Tell your story including information about your work, experience, hobbies, etc. Then type your work term like hours of operation, payment terms and preferred communication style. Then click on save button. After this, you can attach your resume, complete course certificate or other certificate. You can also add more service here according to your skills. When you join this website, you do not have any work. But in this website, you can search work according to your skills. For this, click on find work. Here you can see 3,473 freelance jobs available. Enter your skill in search freelance jobs. Here you get any category option. In this category, you can find project. For example, I am searching logo designer job. You can see here there are so many jobs for logo designer. You can see this first job. If you complete this job, you will get $215. And in the second job, you can see per hour rate. If you complete this work, you will get $10 to $13 per hour. In this way, you can see more jobs. If you want to apply any job, then open that job and read description. If you think you can do this work, then click on send queue. After this, let's talk about payment. Click on payment option. Here you can see there are many options to redeem your money like PayPal account, wire transfer, Payoneer, etc. So this site is best for full-time earning. You can generate extra income from this website. Friends, if you like this video, then please press the like button, and if you have any question, please type in the comment box and please share with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Bye bye.